Hi everyone, we've just added a new feature to Mantis Property that allows you to now record the details of a private inspection and then have those details show up on your vendor reports in the inspections area along with any open home information that you may have recorded. To access this, simply go into one of your listings and into the Inspections tab. Over on the left, you'll see the Add Inspections Time, which is where you add your normal open homes. But over on the right is this new section that says Check in Private Inspection Attendee. Here you simply click on this button and then enter in all the information for your private inspection. As you scroll down, you can enter in the notes or feedback from the person. And underneath this, you select your date and time of the actual inspection. And then simply click Continue. The system will then check to see whether you already have that contact in your database, and if so, you can select them or you can add them as a new contact. So here we're just going to add them as a new contact. And down here, you can now see completed inspections, and you'll see these two here are listed as private inspections as opposed to the one up the top here, which is just a normal open home. This means that over in your vendor report, it will show you that these inspections have occurred, and it will also show you the feedback from those private inspections. So this is a great way, especially if you're changing over from doing open homes to private inspections, where you can still record this data and have it show on the vendor report without having to compile it all together.